Hello everyone, welcome to another video from English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about our routine during holidays. We will share how we spend our holidays and use this as a way to practice simple English. Let's begin.
Hi everyone, yes, today we are going to share our daily routine during holidays. It will help you learn useful vocabulary and sentence structures for daily use. Let's start with Iqra. How do you spend your holidays?
Well, I usually wake up late during holidays. On regular days, I wake up at 6:30 a.m., but on holidays, I get up around 9 o'clock. The first thing I do after waking up is check my phone. I reply to messages, scroll through social media, and watch short videos. After that, I go to brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink a glass of warm water with lemon. It helps me feel fresh and active. After getting fresh, I prepare breakfast. On holidays, I like to eat something special like omelet with cheese or sometimes pancakes. I also enjoy a cup of tea or coffee while watching TV. Breakfast time is my favorite during holidays because there is no rush. I don't have to go anywhere, so I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. Around 11 a.m., I start doing some house chores. Sometimes I clean my room, do the laundry, or organize my wardrobe. These small tasks help me stay active and keep my space clean. By noon, I take some time for myself. I read a book, listen to music, or watch a movie. Sometimes I call my friends and we talk for a long time. We share jokes, discuss our plans, and enjoy the free time together. Around 2 p.m., I have lunch. If I'm in the mood, I try new recipes or cook something tasty. After lunch, I usually take a short nap. Holidays are incomplete without a little afternoon sleep. In the evening, I go for a walk in the park. It feels great to breathe fresh air and see nature. Sometimes I meet my cousins or neighbors and we play badminton. Evening time is fun and refreshing. At night, I take a shower and relax. Then I sit with my family and have dinner together. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time. After dinner, I watch a drama or a movie. Sometimes I write in my diary or plan for the next day. Finally, I go to bed around 11:30 or 12. Holidays make me feel relaxed and happy. That's how I spend my holidays. What about you, Altaf?
Thank you, Iqra. Your holiday routine sounds peaceful and refreshing. Now I'll share mine. During holidays, I don't set any alarm. I usually wake up between 8:30 and 9 odd in the morning. First, I lie in bed for some time and check my phone. I watch videos, read some news, or reply to comments on my YouTube channel. After that, I get up and head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and wear comfortable clothes. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Sometimes I cook eggs, paratha, or just make a simple sandwich. I enjoy my breakfast with a hot cup of tea. After breakfast, I go to my home office or studio. Even on holidays, I love creating content. I plan future videos, write scripts, or record short clips. I also read English books or watch educational videos. It helps me improve and relax at the same time. Around noon, I take a break and talk with my family. Sometimes I help in the kitchen or run small errands. At 2 o'clock, we have lunch together. My mother cooks delicious food during holidays. After lunch, I take some rest. I don't always sleep, but I lie down and enjoy the quiet time. In the afternoon, I like doing things I don't get time for during busy days. Sometimes I play games, go for a bike ride, or just sit outside in the sun. I also make calls to my old friends and we talk about life. In the evening, I meet with some close friends. We go to a nearby cafe or have tea at someone's home. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the time together. After returning home, I freshen up and sit with my family for dinner. We share our day's stories and eat together. Dinner time is always special for us. At night, I spend some time alone. I read, watch something funny or educational, and then relax. Before sleeping, I write a few points in my notebook. I reflect on what I did during the day. Finally, I go to bed around midnight. My holiday routine helps me recharge, relax, and get ready for the upcoming days.
That was great, Altaf. I noticed your holidays are a perfect mix of fun and productivity. It's important to enjoy and also learn something during holidays.
Yes, Iqra. Holidays give us time to refresh and also improve ourselves. Even when we are free, we should use our time wisely.
Today, we shared our holiday routines with you. We talked about waking up, meals, activities, and time with family and friends.
And we also used simple English so that you can learn new words and sentence patterns. Try speaking about your own holiday routine in English.
It's a great way to practice speaking. You can even record yourself or write it down.
That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about our holiday routines.
See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing English.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep watching English with Altaf.